Hey guys, welcome to my first makeup tutorial. I don't know why I'm taking my glasses on and off, but okay, I'm gonna be using the Fenty primer. This stuff smells so good, and so I'm just gonna dab it around my forehead, my cheeks, and I'm gonna blend and rub that into my head, my face. And then I'm gonna put it on my chin, my neck. Don't forget your neck, because like that. You need to know that these are all the parts of the face that you're going to be putting the foundation on. So now I'm gonna be. What am I gonna be doing now? I'm going to be using the concealer in the shade 390, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my under eye area. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend that out. Okay, so I'm looking for my beauty blender. Where's my beauty blender? Okay, I got it now. So I'm gonna use the small like triangular edge of the. I'm looking at to see if sponge to blend out my concealer. I think it looks good. It looks. I don't know why I put my glasses on, because I'm blind. Blending. I can't see. Blending. So I'm going to be blending. Just to make sure it's all blended. Blended. And I'm gonna set it with powder. Blended. Blending, blend. Blending, blend. Blending, blend. 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 Blend that bad boy. Blend. It looks good. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is keep on blending. We're gonna keep on blending, making sure this concealer is seamless. The next thing is we're going to use the Fenty powder, setting powder in the Cashew. Yeah, Cashew. So you're going to set those under eyes. Set them. Set. All around them. Make sure you set your concealer, because if you don't set your concealer, your wet concealer is gonna crease. It's gonna like break up, and it's gonna look kind of weird and not good. So I'm just making sure that it's all set perfectly and perfectly. What was that word that I just used? What is that? What is wrong with my language? Okay, now I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. Since I have oily skin, I'm going to be, before I put my foundation on, I'm going to be putting on some setting powder just to control the oil. So I'm going to be using the same powder as I mentioned in the Cashew to set my entire face before I put my. So I'm going to be putting that around my T-zone, like my forehead, my cheeks. Those are places where I get the most oily, and around my nose. Bam. I know I look kind of like casket ready, but trust me, I know it's gonna look good after this. I know. Oh my God! Yes, I'm pressing it in areas where I get oily to control that shine. I know it kind of looks not right, but you see after. Next, I take the Pro Filter foundation in the shade 390, and I apply that with my finger all over my face. Yeah, I gotta shake it a little bit just to, make sure that it's good, So I dab that all around my face. And then what I do is that I use my finger to distribute the foundation all over my face. I find that, of course, using a sponge is good, it's okay, but I don't have a brush, and I just find that I took my time on this portion a little bit. She knows to do this, but I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to make do with what I have, make do what I got. So I'm gonna keep on blending them around my face, making sure that everything is even. I don't know why I did it this way, but yeah, I'm lazy. So now I'm going to be using the Fenty bronzer in Coco Naughty, and I'm going to put that all around the temples of my forehead and then the side of my cheeks. I'm going to use the same beauty blender around and around. This is supposed to add back warmth to my face since I was looking casket ready, which you do not want to have. So I'm just gonna put that and dab that around my forehead, around my temple, around my cheeks, around my jawline, just to add some warmth back. You just keep on putting some bronzer. Casket ready, it just made me look really, really warm and a little bit more vibrant than usual. It's good, okay. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade, I think it's Clear or GlassSlipper. I'm just going to add that a little bit to my lips. Just to add a little bit of sheen, to me to know that we look moisturized. We have to look like we are healthy and vibrant. We do not want to look, like I mentioned, casket ready. We don't want to look casket, we want to be vibrant and alive. Okay. So I'm just putting that a little bit around my lips. And checking to see if I look okay. I have my glasses on because I'm blind. I told you guys I'm blind. Oh god. Some of the powder just flew up in the air, as you guys see. I'm gonna use a bit more of the bronzer again. And I'm gonna go around my cheeks. A little bit on my mouth. A little bit on my jawline area. Cause you can see now I look like a regular person. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And this is my first makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.